I have BLACKBERRY Key2 and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Here you need to scroll down in order to find the security and location. Here tap on fingerprint. Let's read the following instructions. Tap next. Before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. It could be pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me use pattern. Let's draw your unlock pattern. Tap next. Let's do it again just for confirmation. And here you have to choose the form of notifications. You can show all notification content, you can hide the sensitive one, or you can don't show notifications at all. In my case, let me show all. Tap next. Now you need to touch the sensor. The sensor is located right here on your space bar. So let's start tapping the sensor a couple of times. Let's touch the different parts of your finger. And that's it, fingerprint added. You can of course add another one if you would like to, or you can tap done. So now you can just press power key, and as you can see, if you would like to use your device, you need to enter your pattern, or you need to use your fingerprint. That's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.